You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennings, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Would you drink recycled beer? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennings. Let's think about that. In 2019, Erco, a company in the Czech Republic, started to use recycled water in order to make beer. This was the first brewery who felt that there is too much water wasted in the production process of beer. So therefore, there is a need to find ways to make it more efficient, more sustainable, and more entertaining and enticing for their customers. There's a story to tell, and the story is we use recycled water. And by the way, it tastes actually pretty good. So the first one in the Czech Republic started, and now it has taken over the world. Just the other day, I learned from a California apartment brewery. So in this building, a 40-story high-rise residential building, there is a brewery somewhere in the basement. This unique brewery is utilizing the water generated within the building itself. Their innovative approach uses gray water from showers, sinks, and laundry facilities within the apartment complex. The gray water is then used and being recycled, as in different wastewater technologies and purification methods are being implemented. Reverse osmosis and ultraviolet disinfection are just to name a few of them, to ensure it meets the highest quality standards. Once purified, the water is then used to brew the beer on site, showcasing a very creative and sustainable solution for water conservation and waste reduction. Think sustainability on steroids. In recent years, the global brewing industry has witnessed a surge of innovation and efforts to become more sustainable. Remember, a couple of morning musings ago, I mused about dry beer. Dry beer not from the taste, but dry beer as in dehydrated beer, which is better, easier, cheaper to transport. All you have to do is add water, similar to instant coffee. So one of those groundbreaking developments in the beer industry is to use recycled water, rainwater, for example, wastewater, gray water. So let's talk about some legal, hygienic, and food safety aspects and look into the potential of niche appeal. How do you run a sustainable company? For you, as a global business leader, as an entrepreneur, as a CEO, what are trends in the industry you see? So let's start, first of all, with food hygiene and food safety. The use of recycled water by itself raises concerns. Is the water safe? Breweries have adapted a strict practice. Stone Brewing in the United States and AB InBev in Germany have implemented a very rigorous purification process to ensure the water meets stringent quality standards. I talked earlier about reverse osmosis and ultraviolet disinfection. There's also some different oxidation process in order to remove contaminants out of the water. So let's talk about innovation and marketing. Recycled beer is, let's say, food and hygiene-wise at the same level, maybe even better. It is a great marketing opportunity to be competitive in a competitive market. By embracing vocabulary of innovation and sustainability, by embracing not only the vocabulary, but the methods and really speak to a customer basis and make the customer basis happy through your actions, company can showcase their commitments to sustainability and attract sustainably environmentally conscious customers, as well as to make a difference. Marketing campaigns can emphasize on the eco-friendly footprint and reduced water consumption. So it's all about finding a niche. The growing demand on sustainable products has created this niche market for recycled beer. The trends align with the customers' ideas of getting locally sourced food, locally environmentally friendly produced products, and therefore creating a loyalty to the local community where products which are being consumed in the same spot as they are being made. This is sustainable on steroids. So the production is not only to save the water production during the production of beer, It is also the extra water used for cleaning, for cleansing, and for whatever other purposes it is. The German Environmental Agency estimates that for every 1 liter of brewed beer, there are 4 liters of water being consumed. In the Czech Republic, the numbers are actually higher, at least based on their statistics. It is between 4 and 150 liters of water. In doing my research, I actually found 180 liters being mentioned per 1 liter of beer produced. Whatever is correct, but we all can agree it is just too much and it feels like waste. So what are the global business implications? Let's think about how you can embrace environmental friendly methods, how you can tackle innovative products and find your customer base. But how does it taste? Let's think about from your perspective as a beer drinker. As a beer drinker, would you consider these products? Would you be open to trying a beer brewed with recycled water, knowing it has undergone a ridiculous, rigorous purification process? How important is sustainability for you when you're choosing a beer? Are you willing to pay more? Are you willing to pay less? What is a premium for an eco-friendly product? Do you believe taste and quality of recycled beer can match or even be better than of traditionally brewed beer? Do you even know that in the past, beer was being brewed in order to enhance the bad water because the bad water didn't really taste that well, and once it's brewed, it tasted better? So who's doing it right now? Are they just those 2 little breweries or those 2 great breweries? There are several breweries around the world who are doing it. Stone Brewing in the United States. I talked about AB InBev in Germany. There's a Half Moon Bay Brewing Company in the United States. There's also Pure Water Brew, and there's a brewery in New Zealand known as the Garage Project. So the trend is rocking and rolling. Let's think about it from a global point of view. The rise of recycled beer demonstrates the power of innovation, the power of sustainability, and the future of the brewing industry. Find your niche. As a global business leader, how are trends which you see integrated in your company strategy? How do you embrace sustainable practices and explore a market niche? As you reflect over the potential of recycled beer, consider this question. How can your company leverage sustainability in order to create opportunities for you to drive a positive change in your industry? Prost.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridgehouse Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridgehouse Law, business-minded, client-focused.
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.